Now what is the equations what we have? We have equations like this, no? M1U1 plus M2U2 equal to M1V1 plus M2V2. This is the thing. Then quotient of restitution formula V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2. What are unknown things V1, V2? Solving 1 and 2 will get expression for V1 and V2. Okay, solve it. I think that one formula we are going to get, if you remember that, okay, it's going to help you a lot. Or else every time you have to write like this, conservation of momentum and elastic collision. Only elastic collision equal to 1. Kinetic energy you can take help of it. Remaining all other collisions, what happen? You must take help of momentum and quotient of restitution only. There's a formula which you can remember. After solving this, we'll end up I don't know, you must try to remember this formula. I solved it, I ended up with this equation. What is the velocity of colliding objects after impact? It will be equal to this much. So you can check all the cases, masses, like previous case, we'll check it, first case. Both are having same mass. So this is a test, this is the first object, second object. After impact, they'll move with a velocity v1 and v2. Just now previous problem, no? We can check it. Now what is v1? Put formula. E we don't know, so some value of phi it is. M1 equal to M2. So this should be equal to 1 minus E. What is U1? U1 is U by 2. M1 equal to M2 plus. This will be 1 plus E. U2 is 0. So this will become 1 minus. Now similarly, let's calculate V2. V2 will be, U2 is 0. So this M minus E M 0 by 2. 1 plus C, M1 is how much? M, this is U by 2. Look at this, which will have more velocity. You have everything in front of you very clear, no? So V1 less than V2. Is it okay? Now, is it justified in that problem? I thought already you know most of the thing, that's why I directly went to the problem. So like this, what happens? You get several cases. You are supposed to analyze some standard things will come. You're supposed to analyze. So when masses are equal, inelastic collision. So definitely what is this collision? Inelastic, no? It is. So the velocity of the first object after impact will be less than that of second object. So this is after impact. This is before impact. Justified. So is it justified, this answer? All of you agree with me? No? V1 less than V2. Just to get the answer, I didn't write. This is what happens in the collision. So therefore I should pick up, this is possible. This is not possible. Like that, you can take all several cases. Huh? There's a very generalized formula. Please do remember this set of formulas. If you remember formula, directly you can straight away enter into the problem. Several cases you can discuss here. So when lighter object collides with heavier object, all the cases you can analyze with the help of this particular thing. Now, second case, if a lighter object collides with a heavier object, then let it be 3m. Let it be elastic collision equal to 1. After collision, what do you expect? The velocity v1 and this velocity v2. Take help of formula equal to 1, m and 3m is there. u2 is 0. This is a test, no? u2 is 0, so this part. So directly take help of this one. So v1 should be equal to how much? After impact, v1 will be equal to 1 m minus, so this should be minus u. v2 is equal to u2 will be 0. Take help of this one. So it is the elastic collision 2u by 4m. Okay, that is u by 2. This should be 2 by. Check once calculation. What do you mean by minus u by 2? So I'm substituting m and here 3m equal to 1. So I'll get u by 2. And here in this particular thing, 1 plus 1 m u by m plus 3m. After collision, what will happen to the objects here now? This will rebound with a speed u by 2 and this will move with a speed. Both will have same speed, but they'll be moving opposite to each other. Like that, you'll get several situations. I'm telling this one. Sir, I'll take 2m. When lighter object collides with heavier object, what happens? The lighter object should rebound. That's what this equation says. Now, is it possible where the first object will come to rest after impact? Can we adjust any value? I'll come to this later on. So that formula is something where you can do analysis very easily. Let's take another situation. Third one. Equal to 0.5. This is m. This is 2m. After collision, what will happen? v1 equal to m minus 2m and e 0.5. So this will be a test. v1 will be 0. What about v2? u2 is 0. Come for this 1 plus 0.5. Okay, very good result is what I'm providing. This will trouble you a lot in numericals because you have a one firm idea. Elastic collision, masses same. There'll be exchange of velocity. Look at here also. E equal to 0.5 m to m. They'll exchange their velocities, no? v1, it will come to rest after impact. And this will move with the velocity of the first object. So exchange of velocity now also is taking place. Not exchange of momentum. Not exchange of momentum. Okay, you do have several interpretations. Take help of this formula. Do remember, it will be very easy for you to work out numericals. I'm giving some best information in front of you. In books, I think you'll open integrated book or a book. No, they have discussed several cases. just based on it. But these what I highlighted, no, very important. Both will move with same speed in opposite direction. Exchange of velocity occurs. Let's proceed now to the next concept. There is some two bodies collide. I'll write the information.